Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring. Open your analytics and record 28-day watch time and average view duration. This tells you where to improve. Once done, compare your top 3 videos to the bottom 3 to spot patterns in length, topic, and thumbnails. Make sure to note traffic sources. Suggested and browse often yield higher session value because you'll optimize differently for each. This initial scan guides your choices for thumbnails, hooks, and video pacing. You'll act on those findings in the next step. You now reshape content. Tighten your first 10-20 seconds to state the benefit and tease a payoff, because retention hinges on expectation. Once that hook holds, edit out slow sections and add visual changes or cuts every 8 to 12 seconds to re-engage attention. Make sure to insert chapters and soft calls to action at logical points, not spam, to encourage longer sessions. Also, reorganize content so the promised payoff appears before the midpoint drop. This keeps viewers invested through the critical. You finish by amplifying and observing. Link similar videos in playlists and end screens to increase session watch time, and craft describe/metadata to favor suggested traffic. Once live, monitor CTR, average view duration, and retention daily for 2 to 4 weeks so you can spot trends. If watch time stalls, /B test thumbnails and titles, trim videos to hit key beats earlier, or upload a shortened version. If that fails, check for external issues like playback errors, fix those, and repeat the cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.